Hey there, fellow campers. Chris Young from Gander RV and Outdoors here. Let's sit back and take it easy today. As a matter of fact, why don't we have a light chat? Make that a Keystone Outback Ultra-Lite chat. As far as unloaded weight, they weigh from just under 4,600 pounds to slightly over 7,000 pounds. So what do you say we explore some of those floor plans? First bunkhouse up, we have the 210 URS. Unique in design, the 210 URS has a single slide that's a rear slide which holds a king bed. The slide sits on top of the sofa sleeper and dinette as you travel, then exposes them once the slide is pulled out. The 210 URS has an efficient kitchen and bath in the middle and places a pair of flip-down twin bunks across the front end. As such, the 210 URS can sleep up to 6 people. Moving on to the next bunkhouse floor plan, we find the 291 UBH. This model sports a layout with a private bunk room, but the bunks now run parallel to the back wall and are double over double bunks. The bunk room opens to a large living area made spacious by a slide out holding the sofa sleeper and booth dinette. Across from the slide, you'll find an L-shaped kitchen with the unique feature, an entertainment center that swings out to expose a large pantry. A large walk-through bathroom with dual pocket doors separates the living area from the bedroom. Like the 261 UBH, this bedroom has a walk-around queen bed. The 291 UBH also has an outdoor kitchen. The final bunkhouse is the 301 UBH. Essentially, this is the 261 UBH only stretched out to accommodate more camp conveniences. The 301 UBH has the twin bunks on a rear slide in a true bunk room and its own entrance, but now it gets its own half bath too. In the middle, you'll find the living area equally as spacious as the 261 BH, with the kitchen a bit larger to accommodate more counter space. The front end of the 301 UBH is like the 291 UBH, with the walk-through bathroom and walk-around queen bed. Bunkhouse is covered. Let's head on over to the rear living style floor plans and start with the Keystone Outback 221 UMD. A rear bath, rear kitchen hybrid with the back wall shared by the bathroom and a large counter space with a microwave. A large living area slide out pulls out the major kitchen appliances, pantry and sofa sleeper as well. Across from the slide sits a booth dinette. Up front, we have the centered queen bed complete with a privacy curtain. Number 2 of the rear living floor plans is the 252 URS. In this one, you'll find a sofa sleeper on the rear wall and its own slide out. Another slide pulls out the U-shaped dinette and fridge. The 252 URS also has the unique swing out entertainment center that exposes a hidden pantry. The bathroom is a walk-through, and the bedroom has its own private entrance from the exterior. Next up, we have the Camp Cook's Dream, the 260 UML. Pretty sure the ML stands for Major Long, and the Major Long kitchen counter that covers the entire rear corner. A large pantry finishes off the back wall, and the kitchen extends into the living area with the range and fridge. Next to the fridge, you'll find a huge entertainment center, complete with a 50-inch TV. Across from this, you'll discover a slide containing the booth dinette and sofa sleeper. The bathroom has a neo-angle shower and is walked through with a pocket door from the bedroom to enable private access. Up next, the only true rear bath in the Outback Ultra-Lite series, the 280 URB. Ideal for the camping couple, the 280 URB sleeps up to 4. The bathroom sits on the rear wall, sporting a large shower and a sliding barn door. The door opens to a large living area enhanced by a slide housing the pantry, fridge, range, and the impressive entertainment center with a 50-inch TV. Perpendicular to the slides sits the sink and a large counter. Across the space, you'll find a freestanding dinette as well as a sofa sleeper. Outside, you'll find outdoor entertainment, which is rare for a travel trailer, plus it has an outdoor kitchen. The sole true rear living model is the 299 URL. An entry door opens up to a cavernous living area with a pair of recliners sitting on the back wall against a large, beautiful panoramic window. The single slide pulls out the sofa sleeper and booth dinette. Across from the slide, the entertainment center with its 50-inch TV sits at an angle against the nice-sized kitchen with its L-shaped counter. The bathroom is a walk-through, placed against the campsite wall to allow for a hallway between the living area and the front bedroom. The front bedroom has a private entry from the outside. So now we're on to the most unique Outback Ultra-Lite, the 240 URS. Basically, it takes the 210 URS rear king bed slide floor plan and stretches it out to accommodate a ramp door up front on the entry side in the bunk area so that you can store some toys. Yep, it's a toy hauler. The garage is a tidy 93 inches by 82 inches with the bunks flipped up, and the garage is set off from the rest of the 240 URS with a solid pocket door. Its cargo carrying capacity is 2,400 pounds, so it has capacity to carry at least a couple of motorcycles. The excellent Outback Ultralight floor plans are only enhanced by what features come with them. Inside, your desire for camp comfort will love the upgraded furniture, residential-sized beds with a deluxe inner spring mattress, the 15,000 BTU air conditioner, and large panoramic windows. Your kitchen comforts include a deep single basin sink, high-rise faucet with pull-out sprayer, solid surface countertops, 3-burner range, and pre-drilled and screwed hand-glazed ash cabinets. Entertainment is easily found with every Outback being 4G LTE and Wi-Fi ready, satellite ready, having a lot of USB charging ports, and an AM/FM CD stereo with DVD player on most models. On the Outback exterior, you'll be camp happy with a power tongue jack, power stabilizer jacks, a heated enclosed underbelly, 60 pounds of LP, backup camera prep, and most having the MORryde steps. Finding the right travel trailer for you and your family, RV experience or not, is not an easy task. Thankfully, lines like the Keystone Outback Ultra-Lite give you a wide variety to help you find your camping solution.